Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will understand how to create four-dimensional bubble chart in Power BI. For this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. From here, we'll click on Get More Visuals. Click on KPIs. Here is it. Click on it. Now pressing this Add. This app will be installed on the visualization interface of Power BI. Here is it. Click on it. Now we have to specify x-axis. So on x-axis, take subcategory. On y-axis, take the sales. Activate the focus mode. So you can see here that this chairs is making good sales and phones is making good sales. Labels and fasteners are having less sales. Okay. Now we want to pick up the size. So let's take the quantity. So in size, drop the quantity. Large the bubble, large the quantity sold. Small the bubble, small quantity sold. Still one more measure we can add, and that is color. So let's pick up the profit and drop it here. So you can see that this one is making the maximum profit, copiers, and this colors, uh, the bubbles represented by this colors are making losses. So this is how you can create four-dimensional bubble chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.